This is Chemnoel. We're on channel QT, and here's another installment of Just a Safety Minute. Who is Chemnoel? Well, that's pretty much me there, but that's a whole lot of Dr. Captain, Doctor, so we'll just go with Chemnoel. The point of this inaugural episode is to get QUICHEM Technology out onto the internet. We're going to try some YouTube videos, Just a Safety Minute. These will be clips, approximately 1 minute or so, to share some safety tips, live chemical demos, those will be fun, and maybe some testing tips for field screening. Why am I qualified to tell you about these things? I started QUICHEM Technology in 1994 as a little side business, so I've been playing with field screening and chemical test strips for decades. I also have a pile of degrees, chemistry and math and hazmat. My PhD is in analytical chemistry, and I've done a lot of science, so you could say I'm a science nerd. I've done experiments in particle concentration and acoustic pyrometry, trace explosives detection, and laser spectroscopy. Oh, did I say laser? That was cool. I'm not just a science nerd, I'm a nozzle head too. For the nozzle head part, I've been in the fire service since 1980, or as my crew might say, since the dawn of time. So I've seen a lot of stuff. Whoa. That was intense. I think these two perspectives come together nicely. The science nerd and the nozzle head. It lets me get the science right and get testing clarity. By testing clarity, I mean get the right result and try and make it happen in a way that's easy for field users to use. Enjoy the series. Feel free to send me your comments and questions and watch the videos over and over and over again. Tell your thousands of family and friends to watch, then we'll all be a big hit on YouTube. Thanks for watching, be safe out there, and remember, chemistry's fun.